Here we go. Pete, your box of Superlative. Good luck, sir. Three, 1, 3. 3, 1, 3. Hey Zamuli, there's a card you want. Just letting you know, if you can hear me. We just pulled a Patrick Waugh Jersey Auto Gold number to 10 from Superlative. So, who drafted that one? I forget who drafted that. Alright, here we go. Numbered 1 of 30. Cujo. Numbered 1 of 20. That's a short print. Roberto Luongo autograph. Roberto Luongo. Next, number 12 of 30. That's a good one. Jersey Auto Prospect Sean Couturier. Prospect Jersey Auto Silver. Number 12 of 30. Numbered 1 of 19. Beauty. Pavel Bure. Patch. 1 of 19. Numbered 1 of 20. Love it. Jersey Auto Silver. Joe Sakic. Joe Sakic Jersey Auto Silver. Next. 8 of 9. Dave Keown, Daryl Sittler, Matt Sundin, and Doug Gilmore. Toronto Quad. 8 of 9. And, what is this? Numbered 3 of 9. Past, present, and future. These are big cards. Jonas Enroth, Ryan Miller, Dominic Hasek. Triple. Numbered to 9. Past, present, future. Pete.